What's your book say, Ruby?
Monkeys? Is it a mommy monkey? Show me. It's a goat. I see a bumblebee. Where's the bumblebee? Where's the butterfly? Tiger. Rawr. What's a tiger do? Butterfly. Bum. That's a spider.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Daddy. Dolphin. Penguin. We like penguins. That's a whale, an orca. You say orca.
No.
Why? The correct name.
Duck.
Duck. Wolf. Woo. Parrot. Can't see it. That is a swan. That is a frog. Do you know what a frog is? Do you know Princess and the Frog? What's your book about? Yeah? What's your book about, Ruby? Is it about animals? What's your favorite animal? I think you like puppies the most. No, maybe monkeys. Yeah, you like monkeys. Do you remember when we saw the gorilla? He was big. He was at the zoo? Yeah, do you remember the zoo? When we went for your birthday? Yeah. I don't. Alligator? What's a lion do?